Hello, Stars and Stripes RC here with a short video, hopefully, of the RC stand for airplanes that I recently got from a friend on the RC AAA group, Jonathan Mowrey. He does these 3D printed. Really all you need is 1/2 inch PVC. What I did was I measured my biggest plane, which is my FMS 1700 millimeter Corsair, to where I can sit that on here. So you want to measure the length of your biggest plane, because you can adjust it down to fit a smaller plane, which I'll show you. These are really nice. Stable. It'll hold a big plane. So really quick, I want to show you transporting it. You don't have to transport it this way. You simply take it off. You have some holes there. You slide each one on like that, and it lays flat. So that's a real nice feature also, so that you don't have to take up a lot of room transporting the stand with you to the field. So again, I've got it set up for my bigger plane, and I'll show you. I say this is my biggest plane. That's really unfortunate, so maybe that'll change one day. But for now, so, you know, it sits on there just like that. You can adjust these in to hold it. Same down at this end. There are wing nuts and bolts on here to tighten it down at whatever setting you want it. So just flip it over, and obviously, you know, when I put the wing on, it'll hold it in place there to install the wing. Now, again, this is made for, I don't know how large of a plane you can put on here, but like I said, it's very sturdy, and you can make the PVC as long as you want. So in order to use it with the little bitty Aero Scout, all I would do is simply slide this in, and now I can use it for the smaller plane. Again, moving those to hold it if I want, or if you loosen the wing nut, these will actually adjust in like that, and then just tighten it back down. I really like this stand. It's really nice, versatile, and works really well. This is next to the biggest that I have. And again, works real well. If you're interested in one of these stands, you can contact Jonathan Mowrey at jonathan.mowrey@gmail.com, and that's JONATHAN.MOWREY@gmail.com, and he'll give you a he'll give you a quote on the price with shipping. Also, you can let him know what color you want. I got an orange one. You know, there's different colors he can do. You'll just have to, you know, communicate through email with him. Be sure and put on the email subject line RC stand so that he recognizes what you're emailing him for. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. And that's pretty much it for the RC stand. RC stands are coming along with the 3D printers versus the old one that I used to have for the last 15 years, the old foam Robart. It went in the trash today. But again, that's the RC stand by Jonathan Mowrey. Stars and Stripes RC. Thanks for watching.